Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing fine. If it's the first time coming across my channel, my name is Demi and please consider to subscribe to my channel. And for my returning viewers, thank you for coming once again. For my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I really love you guys. So today's video will be all about clean with me, like clean my entire house with me. I have 3 rooms in this house, but I'll be cleaning 2 rooms and a sitting room in my kitchen. Yeah, and the waiting room, I'm not going to clean it because it's for my husband brother. Then I'm not going to clean that. Yeah, so I'm trying to wash my dishes. Then yeah, I'll just get into the deepest cleaning. I usually give my house 2 times or once deep clean in a month. It depends how energetic I am. Yeah, so normal cleaning, I'll just clean up the dishes, just clean the floor and rearrange everything. Yeah, but this type of deep clean, usually do this like 2 times or once in a month. Let me know in the comment section. Do you love to give your house deep clean like this? Because I'm going to show you guys how I clean everywhere. Whenever I clean everywhere, I'll be always satisfied. Like, yes, this is what they call house. This is what they call home because I usually satisfy with the cleaning. Yeah. To deep clean your house, you have to have a lot of strength. Oh God, because you don't have strength, you get to sometimes be like, okay, I think I'm not going to clean this house again. Let me just leave it. Let me just leave it how it is because it's not easy. I'm telling you. So I've done washing clothes. Done washing dishes. What is clothes? Let me tell you guys something. One thing I hate to do most is laundry. I don't like to watch clothes. I don't like to fold clothes, but I have to do it. Sometimes when I wash clothes and I take it out from our dryer, I just pack everything somewhere else. Then when I have the strength, I'll fold it because I don't like doing laundry. Let me know in the comment section. Do you love to cook or you love to do laundry or you love to clean house? As for me, I love to cook, but I like to clean and I really don't like to do laundry. Yeah, because I would say what you love to do is when you want to find joy in it, right? Like when I'm cooking, I want to give it my whole, like give it all my strength to cook. Like I'll be feeling myself when I'm cooking, but when I'm cleaning, I just feel like okay, let me clean because I love when everywhere is so clean, when everywhere is sparkling, when everywhere is turning, like there is no any dirty at all. But sometimes I feel reluctant to clean. Yeah, I'll be like, "Ah, I really don't have strength, but I have to do it, yeah, because for cooking, I will be even sing when I'm cooking, but when I'm cleaning, I'll be like, let me just I'll be feeling sluggish. Yeah, I'll be feeling sluggish to clean. But laundry, don't call me to come and do laundry. But you have to do it. Let me know in the comment section how many times in a week you used to do laundry in your home. As for me, I used to do laundry like 3 or 4 times in a week. Yeah. Because we are 6 in number in this family. And I cannot use all Saturday to do laundry because on Saturday I still have to go to work. And that Friday stroke Saturday sleep. I don't like to miss it. Because that is the only when you have chance to sleep until when you like to get up from the bed. So I usually get up from bed or around 10 something every Saturday, yeah. So during that time before I'll say, okay, I want to cook afternoon food for the kids or for the family. Then by the time I'll check time, it's like it's time for me to go to work. Please, if you are watching this moment and you haven't given it a sub or you haven't liked my video and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, give it thumbs up, help me to share the video out. Let's get to 1K subscribers. Thank you so much. So yeah, I'm done cleaning the stove. Then you can see how everywhere is so clean. So I'm going to clean all the wardrobe. Yeah. Yeah. So this stuff that I'm using to clean, like if you want to maintain your stove, like you want to maintain what you have in your home, find good products to be cleaning everything you have in your home. Yeah, like if you get 3 euros, I think I bought this for 3 euros something. This store that I'm using, and I love the scent so much. It contains orange scent and lemon scent. So when I'm spraying it, you feel that scent like, oh gosh, it's just like perfume. So when I clean finish, everywhere just smelling like that is smelling. So I want to clean my microwave, and I'll take it back to where it is. Not supposed to be on the freezer. So yeah, and I'm going to wash all the wall. Not wash with soap and water. I'll spray it with jig and water. I have other YouTube channel that I'm running now. It's called Grow with Taming. Although I'm not that consistency in other channel, but I'll surely be dropping some videos in the other channel in case you'd like to check it out. I think I'm going to put the link in the description. It's called Grow with Tammy. Yeah. All right, so I'm trying to pack all the tomatoes that I got the other time. Yeah, I think my last grocery haul that I dropped, the video of grocery haul that I dropped, I show you guys the tomatoes and how much I got them. So I'm trying to pack everything to the store then while I clean everywhere. Look at this. So this is what I called deep clean. Assuming I'm not giving it that deep clean, I'll just sweep everything off. Then I won't push out this freezer. So I won't know there are thousands and millions of dirty in that place. Yeah. So I'm trying to spray my spray on the wall. Then I'll put small soap in my sponge. Then I'll wash it off and I'll clean it. This 15 minutes or 16 minutes videos that you guys are watching, I use 7 hours plus to film this video. I'm not talking about the editing, I'm not talking about the thumbnail. If I want to count it with the thumbnail and the editing, I'll say like 10 hours or 11 hours. Just to make 60 minutes videos, I use, let me say, 11 hour plus, because you are going to edit it, and then you have to do thumbnail. You enhance the thumbnail to give it good view. Oh my goodness sake. Like YouTube, should I say it worth it? I really don't know. Maybe I'm going to make a video one day. Then we chat about this YouTube of a thing. It's not. I don't want to say it's not worth it, but I really don't know. I can't tell right now. Yeah, but for the big YouTuber, it might worth it for them. For those that have got millions of subscribers, yeah, it might worth it for them. But we knew you YouTube newcomer. Like if you are not patient enough, you be like, okay, I think I can't do this anymore. You be like, let me just give up. I can't continue wasting my time, because you will first see like, you see like wasting of your time. Like it's not easy. Yeah, let's just say okay, normally you clean in your house, but to set the camera, to edit the video, to make a thumbnail, to if you are moving all around, you have to set a camera so that the camera can grab what you are doing. Yeah, so this is the end of the cleaning of my kitchen. I love how everywhere is so neat, so clean. Everywhere is arranged. I've packed all the plates where it's supposed to be. I've arranged everything, and everywhere is looking so beautiful. My baby is waving her hand. She's eating. So, and yeah, this is the outcome of our cleaning. So I'm trying to clean my shoe rag. I got it for 50 euro on sale from supermarket. So whenever I see something like this, I don't used to waste my time. Even if I do not have the money, I'll try my effort to get it, to tell hobby or to tell anybody around me that can you just give me this, you get, because you can't come across this stuff often. When I check Amazon, I say Amazon. When I check Amazon for the price of that shoe rag, it sold 90 euro. Then I got it for 50 euro. Can you see the difference? Like 40 euros different. So I got it ASAP. Yeah. So whenever I want to clean up the rug, I usually first clean it with my broom. Then I'll take my vacuum, because if you use vacuum to clean all the dirties like this, your vacuum is going to spoil quickly. If you have a vacuum and you want it to serve you for a very long time, don't use your vacuum to pack papers and nylon, because vacuum is only for dust. Yeah, to pack all the dust that the brooms can't take away. Yeah, so after cleaning with my brush, I'll surely take the vacuum and vacuum everywhere. So I'm telling this my chewing gum baby that she should because she's just chewing gum herself with to me. I'm telling her that she should move. She's coming to me, so I have to clean everywhere. Then yeah, you guys can see all the days that I'm packing out from the sitting room. This is only for the sitting room, yeah. So if I want to clean, like as when I'm cleaning normal cleaning, I won't take I won't take the what's it called? The couch. I'll just clean, you know all those who clean, just let me clean and let everywhere clear. So I'll just clean roughly clean just for me to see that yeah there's no dirty on the floor on the ground. So if I want to give a deep clean like this, I usually take all the couch out, then I'll clean inside the couch, clean under the couch, clean everywhere that I know that there are dust. So if I want to use vacuum to clean, I always clean first, like clean everywhere, you know, use brush to brush everywhere, clean the drawer everywhere. Then I'll now use vacuum to vacuum all the dust that are around the corners. I'm trying my efforts to clean as fast as I can so that the kids won't meet me for this cleaning. Yeah, I don't want them to meet me while I stay cleaning. If not, I won't be able to clean when I take them from school. So I'm done cleaning the sitting room. Then I'll surely clean the TV space and yeah, where I have to clean. Any day I know that I want to give the house the deep clean like this. I don't used to cook, I don't used to do anything, even to edit video, I don't used to do that. So I just know that okay, what I want to do today is to clean the house because you can be very tired when you are cleaning, so tired, not small tired. Because going to different area, cleaning, make sure everywhere is so clean. Like if I show you guys how this was clean, you'll be able to just believe me. And here, I'm so tired. I just threw myself on my kid's bed. This is the only way you can do it. Like when you are cleaning, you know that you want to clean all the house, don't do anything aside the cleaning because you don't have the strength anymore like to clean all the entire house. I mean deep clean, not just sweep up everywhere. To give it good cleaning like this, just don't need to do anything again. Yeah, so I'll just change the bed spread, then yeah, just do what is need to do. And this baby, both of us clean all the entire house together because anywhere I have, you can see what she's doing. I told her to come down, no, she's jumping on the bed. Then I'm trying to just fold out to spread the bed and to arrange the room. So there are many bunch of dirty clothes in this room that the kids put there, so I have to pack everything to the store and go straight to our room. So this is my room and I'm trying to clean it. I want to take out my baby clothes here, then I'll fold them, I'll arrange it into the another place. So I'll put my bags here. I've got some new bag I'm going to show you. I don't know if I'm going to upload the video in the next video, and let's see. So this is me trying to fold all the clothes so that everywhere will be arranged. And yeah, I did the needful. Yeah, I'm trying to fold the clothes here to transfer the clothes here. Then I'll surely get her a wardrobe, or she'll be the one using that small wardrobe while I'll get the brother and the sister new wardrobe. I really don't know for now, but not now, sha. So I'm trying to make my bed, like I'm giving my bed more, torturing. Or how they call it, pampering. Yeah, not torturing. You want to beat me? So I'm trying to pamper my bed, to give it that clean and cool spread. Yeah, and I done it. I think I'm going to see guys my next video. I've been with you guys talking just to explain myself with you guys. I'm going to see guys my next video. Stay well, stay tuned, and don't forget to love yourself. Let me tell you guys something. After I've cleaned here, my baby came to the room and she stayed on my bed. I said, this baby, all right, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to love yourself. Stay well, stay tuned, and bye.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed, the glass so